Hello guys, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty and soft street dumplings known as Kaimati in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. So first step, I will activate 2 tablespoons of yeast with coconut milk so it can rise. Stir a bit and cover for at least 5 minutes. In a medium-large bowl, add 2 cups of wheat flour, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, and sugar 1 tablespoon, and mix well. Then you will add your activated yeast and continue mixing. Then lastly, add 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I used 1 cup of thick coconut milk plus 1/4 cup of water. Pour the coconut milk slowly by slowly while mixing using your hands. It's much easier till your batter becomes thick. Continue mixing your batter very nice, as you can see in the video, till everything is well mixed. Your batter has to be thick like this, and your batter consistency is ready. Cover it and place on a warm place so that the batter can rise approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, my batter has risen like it's supposed to be. Mix it once more and it's high time to deep fry the dumplings. Put some oil in a pan and let it heat up in a medium heat. Shape your dumplings using this method, or you can use a spoon or a machine, any method you prefer. Dip them in the oil and cook them in a low-medium heat till golden brown. Shuffle your dumplings on both sides so they can have an amazing golden brown color. And once your dumplings have this amazing golden brown color, your dumplings are ready. Remove them from the oil and place on a plate or a bowl. Then afterwards, we will make some syrup. In a pot, add 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of water, and cardamom, and bring it to boil till it's less and starts to stick. Your syrup has to stick like this, and your syrup is ready. Take a large pot, place on a medium heat, add the dumplings and the hot syrup, and mix them till the syrup dries with the dumplings. Continue mixing the dumplings as you can see in the video, slowly by slowly while the pot is on fire till the syrup dries with the dumplings. The syrup has to dry with the dumplings like this, and your sweet dumplings are ready, remove them and place on a large plate or a bowl. And my soft, delicious sweet dumplings are ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with coffee or tea and enjoy your sweet dumplings. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.